Hello everyone, my name is Pawan P and I'm from SSC Bangalore. So today's topic is enumeration. So enumeration is basically concept in Java. So what is enumeration means in that? So enumeration is a list of named constants. It is similar to final variables. So enum is Java is a data type that contains fixed set of constants. So an enumeration is created using the enum keyword. So we'll be seeing what it is by an example. So this is a simple example to understand an enumeration concept. So as we for this code defines that this whole thing declares color enumeration and defines the constants red, green, and blue. And coming to the next part of code, this line creates an instance of color enumeration and assigns it the value green. As you can see, this color is an instance of this enumeration color and it is assigned to value green. And coming to the switch statement, the line uses a switch statement to check the values of the color enumeration and executes the corresponding cases statement. So if the value of color enumeration is red, it prints out red. So if the color of color enumeration is green, then it prints out green. So if the value of color enumeration is blue, then it prints out blue. So I hope you understood this. So coming to values and values of, these two are the methods. So values and values of are the methods in enumeration. So all enumeration automatically contains two predefined methods called values and values of. So we'll be discussing one by one. So values is a static method in enum class that returns an array of all the constants values in an enumeration. So for example, so this is our constants, right? Red, green, blue. So if you give values, it will return all these three constants. It will print out all these three constants. So it will print out red, green, and blue. So values of. So what values of is a static method in enum class that takes a string value and returns the corresponding enum constants. So here also we have red, green, blue as constants. So if we give a value of red, so it will return the color enum red. So the difference is it prints out all the constants, prints out the specific constant from enum class. So this is a simple example of values and values of. So the first line enum season declares the enumeration of 4 seasons. So this is winter, spring, summer, fall are the constants. Coming to the main method, here we have class. So the main method of the enumeration class iterates through the season enum and prints out each of the 4 seasons. So this values of prints out winter, spring, summer, and fall. And coming to the values of part, so it then uses the values of method to get the season enum for winter and stores it in the season S. Finally, it prints out the values of S, which will be winter. So here the S is a different winter. So here we will get all the seasons: winter, spring, summer, fall. So hope you understood this. So coming to the next method is ordinal method. So it is a very simple method. So ordinal is a method that in the enum class that returns the position of the constant in the enum type. The ordinal value of enumeration constant is the position of the constant in the list of constants. So the ordinary value of first constant is 0 and the ordinal value of the last constant is number of constant minus 1. For example, C is like here we have red, green, blue, right? So the first position of first constant is 0. So the position of red is 0 and the green will be 1 and blue will be 2. So if you return red dot ordinal, so it will return 0. So for green it will return 1. So blue it will return 2. So this is ordinal method. So coming to compare to method. Compare to method is a enum class that compares the position of two constant values in the enum type. The result is positive if the position of the first constant is greater than the position of second constant. So here the position of red is 0, green is 1, so blue is 2. So obviously, 0 is less than 1, so it will return negative. As you can see here, the result is negative if the position of first constant is less than the position of the second constant. So here the value of red is 0 and the green is 1. So the position of first constant is less than the position of second constant. So it returns negative. So coming to the second part, so here blue is greater than green, right? Because the position of blue is 2 and the position of green is 1. So it will return positive value. Here we can see the result is positive if the position of first constant is greater than the position of second constant. So 2 is greater than 1. So it will return a positive value. So coming to blue dot compared to blue, so it will return 0 due to the result is 0 if the position of two constant is the same. So both are same, right? Blue and blue. So 2 equals 2. So it will return 0. So this is compared to method. So coming to equals method. So equals is a method in the enum class that compares two constants to see if they are same. So the result is true if the two constants are same. So the result is false if two constants are not same. So we can easily observe the example. So again we have red, green, or blue as constant. So we will be saying like red is equals to green. So it is obviously red is not equals to green. So it will return false. So here we have green equals to blue. It will again return false. So as you can see, here blue equals to blue. So obviously blue equals to blue is true. So it will return true. That's it. So this is the part. This is the enumeration, and some of the methods I have discussed. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching.